Okay. So here's a quick video on how to use this Go formative for the worksheets that we're going to be doing. Um, right now, this is a recording of um, on a Mac. I'll show you on a phone screen as well. So basically, what I'm doing is if you have a worksheet but you don't want to print it up or things like that, this is a one way that you can do this so that you don't have to print it up, write it out, take a picture, things like that. You can work completely within this right here. Now, if you want to, you can jump through the different questions. There's 12 questions. That's what this shows up here. Um, so there's 12 questions that you can be doing on this. And you can go ahead and scroll along this side, and then that'll show you all the questions as well. Now these are all set up to be show your work problems. So what that means is on number one, you click here, and then you'll be able to draw right on this document. So 5 pi over 6 radians, you're supposed to convert it to degrees. This toolbar on the side is the way that you're going to go back and forth between the different options. So right now, this little squiggly thing means that you can draw. If you have a tablet or things like that, then it's a lot easier than on a trackpad. So that's how you're going to draw your lines. If you need to erase, come down here, click on that. That's your eraser. Just erase that out. If you want to change the colors, that's how that goes. Change how big. Um, whoops. So if you pick it, now, what I noticed too is that you have to click it to close it again and then go to where you want to go. So if you want to go to colors, click it to open or sorry, not the colors, but the how wide your writing is. Click it, it opens it up, make a selection. Some things they go away right away. This one you actually have to select it, click it again to close it, and then go to the next thing that you want to do. So I want to scribble, and then it makes it a lot thicker. Okay, so I'm going to click here, erase that. This is a draw. This will just make straight lines. Um, this thing, if you want to box stuff, that's what you can do. So right now these are pretty thick, so I can make them a little thinner. Um, close it, open it up, box stuff like that. Now, um, if you want to draw right on here, you can. Like I said, you just go to the squiggly. You can pick different colors that you want to do, things like that. Or another option you have is if, say, you don't want to write because you have a trackpad, it's super hard. What you can do is go to this right here. This is where you're going to insert a picture. You would just go to any one of these. I think these are screenshots of work. So hit open, and there it is. And then you can resize and stuff. Just take a corner and drag it. You can make it bigger and smaller. Click on it, and then you can move it around. But you can show your work that way too. So just take a picture of your work, and then you can do it that way. This is an undo button if you want to undo stuff. And yeah, so hit check mark, and then your answer will be in there. I'll be able to grade it. Now, if say like you do better on a tablet or a your cell phone. Okay, so on the cell phone, when you want to do this, I suggest you do it in landscape mode. If you have a stylus or something like that, that helps out a lot too. But just keep in mind when you're in landscape mode or any mode on your phone, it's really hard to see the actual worksheet. You're kind of small, but you're not writing right on here anyways. Um, so if I show the questions are along the side. You can always scroll up. Let's go on a different part. Scroll up to see the different questions and do them. So what you're going to do is just like before, you're going to click on show your work, and then it might be a lot easier to write on your screen. So when you have that selected, you can multiply by, so pi radians are on top. So we would put 2 pi radians over 1, or oops, sorry, pi radians over 180 degrees. That's what I was trying to say, but I didn't say it right. So radians and radians cancel off, then you work it out from there. Now it's a little bit tricky on the side here. The eraser's kind of towards the bottom, so you got to tap and kind of go down if you want to erase. You erase like that, or like I said before, if you want to do your work and show it, just like on the computer, you would tap on that. Nice thing is here is that you can choose from your selected files, or you can hit camera and then take a picture of your actual work. Okay. But yeah, that's about it. So try this out, see if it works. I'm trying to figure out the best way to get this stuff in, and get you ready for the type of formats that we have for the test. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Bye bye.